Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have the iPhone 17 here and of course iPhone 17 Pro Max. And of course it should be as similar across all updated iPhones. I'll be showing you how to activate the picture-in-picture feature on your device. Now, the picture-in-picture can work on YouTube. And of course, normally it requires that you have YouTube Premium. But of course, recently I realized that I was able to have the picture-in-picture without the YouTube Premium. All right, this can also work on other apps as well. So if you use Rumble and some other apps, it can actually support picture-in-picture, meaning you can exit the app and you'll still have a picture-in-picture window on screen. Now I'm gonna show you how to make sure the feature works, and then I'm gonna demonstrate the feature. All right. So first thing you're gonna do, guys, go to your settings. Once you're in your settings, make sure you're in the main settings as seen here. You're gonna go down from the main settings, go to general, search here, and you're gonna show you here that you're gonna have picture-in-picture. Go ahead and tap picture-in-picture. Make sure that it's on and not off. And it says here when you swipe up to go home or use other apps, videos and FaceTime calls will automatically continue in picture-in-picture. All right, so it works with various apps, including picture-in-picture for certain video calling apps and so on. All right, next thing you want to do as well, make sure you do the latest software update. And of course, as well, make sure you go to your app store and update your apps and make sure that YouTube is updated. You can search for YouTube itself and see if the option appears for update. All right, so once you have done those, I'm going to demonstrate now. All right, so the trick here with this method is to go ahead and open YouTube. So it works with other apps. It's very easy. So normally you open the app. Now, of course, for copyright concerns, I'll pause this video. So make sure that you play the video. And while you play the video, I want you to swipe up. And once you swipe up, guys, you'll see here that the video will continue to play. And of course, it will be in a pop-up view. All right, you can also resize the window. You can close. And of course, it's very easy. And all you got to do here, guys, is to go ahead and you can move it up and down. All right. And of course, you can also go back to the full screen. Or as I said, make sure it's playing. Swipe up. And of course, you can continue to pause. You can skip back and forth. You can see the timeline, or you can close the app. All right, so if you do that, guys, what's going to happen is that you're going to get this cool new feature. It seems to work on some devices. It may not work on others, but of course, share your experience below. And of course, you can try it out just the same on other apps, such as Rumble, if you have that particular app, and others, such as your FaceTime calls and so on. So hope that was useful, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.